So, kakauwi ko lang from work. I'm shooting a movie with Angeline Quinto. And it's already almost midnight past. And it was Valentine's Day. And then...
And then I have a gift for you.
You
Yes.
do?
Yes. A
Okay.
very something really precious that you, I don't know. It's very expensive. I'm sorry.
Chips?
Open your eyes.
Chips?
Open your eyes.
Oh, tacos! Tortilla! Did you bake this?
Opo.
Okay.
Very original. I don't know if you.
Oh! Thank you, my love.
Welcome, my baby. I missed you. I love you more.
This is the chocolate cake that Danilo baked for me for the first time in Italy, and it's been my favorite all time. Happy Valentine's
Happy
Day,
Valentine's.
baby. I love you so much.
I love you more.
Wow, what a nice gift coming from work. So sweet. Yep. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Harap na.
Thank you, my baby.
Mm.